Zombie, what can I do? We need to make more zombies and take over Monster Jam City. Take zombie trainer. Make more zombies. He's just a trainer so he can turn people into zombies. All right, let's go.
I stayed on the boot. This time I stay on the boot side. Only on the boot side so you don't find me.
Zombie, go bite those guys. Turn them into little zombies too. Yeah. It's gonna be awesome. Hey guys, check out this trick I'm gonna do. What's it? Ow, ow, ow. Hey, what's he doing? What are you doing? Ow, oh, oh. Oh no, I don't feel so well. Oh. Ah, I'm a zombie. Ah, you're a zombie. Let's go eat some brains. Oh no, did you see that?
Yeah.
He just turned them into zombies.
Let's go become hunters.
All right, let's become hunters. Let's go.
Yeah.
All right, now we got our sweet hunter outfits. Check out my claws, my sweet tires. What do you look like, Earthshaker?
I got my black to focus on the zombies on. That left some traps.
And you got some sweet green slime.
Yeah,
all right.
I'm gonna focus on the zombies.
All right, let's go find them. We gotta turn them back to normal. You ready?
Yeah.
All right, let me do a sweet flip first. Oh, it didn't work. All right, hey, since I messed up, let's just go. That hurt too bad. You ready? Get some air, let's go. My plan is working. He turned them into zombies. Awesome job. But wait, are those guys hunters? No, there's two zombie hunters. I have to stop them. Hey, Metal Militia, I'll race you down. All right, let me line up. Are you ready?
Ready, set, go!
Oh, I think I won.
I think it was a tie.
Wait, I want to race too. All three of us will race. Are you ready?
One.
Set, go. What are these kids doing?
Whoa!
Hey. Oh, you guys have delicious smelling brains. Ah, get over here. Where'd they go?
I'm gonna go this way and trap them. Now, where did they go?
Get back here, mini monster truck. I'm gonna get you.
We got you now, mini monster truck.
What are you gonna do? Not so fast! Ah, we are the zombie hunters! Good job, Earthshaker!
Yeah!
You knocked him over again? Give me a high five! Yeah, we are awesome!
You stay wet.
Oh no, it's the zombie hunter! Let's get out of here! Alright, little buddy, those zombies won't ever bother you again.
Thanks!
Alright, Earthshaker, let's go get those zombies.
Yeah!
Boom! Alright, I think we're safe in this bush. Haha, now we got you.
Not today!
Oh, what are you doing to us? Get off those! Get off those guys!
Yeah!
Hey, are you guys okay?
Yeah!
Alright, those zombies won't bother you again. Earthshaker, let's go get them!
Yeah!
Let's go! What's going on? My zombies keep losing. I need to make them stronger. I have to go talk to the zombie cave. Zombie head, they keep defeating my zombies. What can I do to stop them? To defeat them, you must challenge them in a tank battle. Whoever wins will win the zombies. So if they win, they get the cure? Yes, but if you win, they will be zombies forever. I know I'll win. Earthshaker, we gotta find a way to trap our buddies because we don't want to hurt them, we just want to turn them back.
Yeah.
What do you think we could trap them with?
Let's go get some wood.
Oh, you can go get some wood? Can you fit it in your back?
Yeah.
Okay, go get some wood. I'll go find them and we'll trap them.
Yeah. Here's some wood.
Oh, that is some wood. There you go. Go find some more. See if you can find some more, okay?
Yeah. You did all the wood I found.
Holy cow, that is a ton. All right, let's put it next to the edge.
Yeah.
Come on, scoot it over. All right, Hunter. I'm gonna chase them toward you, and then I want you to push this on them so you can trap them, okay?
Okay, I just wanted to do a flip.
Okay, let's do flips. You ready? Oh, sweet. Watch this. Oh, standing it up.
Hey, what's this?
Oh, stoppy. Oh.
It's a somersault.
That was a somersault. That was super cool. All right, you know the plan?
Yeah.
All right.
How about we drop when you chase them, and when they do really close, I'll push it out and drop it on them.
All right, let's go.
Yeah.
Hey, zombies, stop messing with the mini monster trucks.
Never.
Hunters, kick club. Don't bite me.
Ow.
You guys are weak. What's up with this? Oh, no, maybe you're not so weak. Oh, donuts. Kick.
Ow.
All right. Earthshaker, I'm gonna need your help. Push it on him.
Oh, you're stuck.
Guys, we don't want to fight you. We just want to turn you back to your normal selves. You guys want your friends back?
Yeah.
Then you need to challenge me in a tank battle.
Yeah?
Yeah, you ready?
Yeah.
If I win, they become zombies forever. If you win, they're free. How you feel about that?
Okay.
Good deal?
Yeah.
All right, let's get in our tanks. All right, Earthshaker, you can have the yellow blaster tank since you're yellow. Sound good?
Yeah.
All right, and I'll take the black Reaper. All right, first one to hit 3 times loses. Are you ready?
Hi.
Let's battle.
I'm ready.
Let's battle. Earthshaker's doing it. He's gonna win. Oh no, my tank is destroyed. That means they're gonna turn back to normal. No. You guys turned back to normal.
What happened?
Oh man. Man, you got turned into a zombie.
I don't want that.
Let's get you out of there.
I don't want to turn into a zombie.
No, I bet you don't. All right, you guys want to go do some jumps?
Yeah.
All right, let's go. If you love Monster Jam trucks, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Also, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. All right, Griffin, did you like those laser battle hunters? Let's check this out.
If you get blasted 3 times, you're out.
You get blasted 3 times, you're out. These are battle hunters. They're RC. They're super fun, aren't they, Griff?
Yeah.
All right, guys, we have a link in our description. Make sure to click on that if you want to check out these awesome laser battle hunters.
Yeah, and they come in sentence. You can blast and turn, and they can slide side to side.
They can. They slide side to side. They go forward and back. They're really cool, aren't they?
Because they can go forward and back. But just when you start off.
Yeah. Hey, do you want to go battle again?
Yeah.
All right, let's go. Wait! Guys, click down below to subscribe to our channel.
Yeah.
And click on our videos over here to watch more awesome videos.
Yeah.